Hi, Stefan Swartling here. I have bought a Samsung T7 portable SSD from Samsung that I will use for my Final Cut Pro 10 projects on my Mac Mini M1 and also on my iPad Air 4, iPad Air 2020 with LumaFusion. So now I will do an unboxing of this, and then later on in this video I will also do some setups. I will move some files from my old hard drive to this one and so on. I will move all my Final Cut Pro projects and B-roll and so on. So let's start by unboxing this cool little drive. Pretty ordinary box, I think. As you can see there, 500 gigabyte of storage. Yes, maybe not the most, but I think that will be enough for me and my YouTube projects. Let's open the box. Oh, I did the unboxing wrong. You should actually not unbox that like so. You should open it like this. Much more professional actually. So open like that and then you see the really small and cool drive. Look at this, how small it is. Really cool. And I bought a blue version because it will match my blue iPad Air 4. As you can see, really small drive. And it looks really nice, I think. So light in the hand and very good build quality. So what's more in the box? Probably some cables. And a manual. Here we have a USB 3.0 to USB-C cable if you have such devices that you need to connect with a USB 3.0, USB Type-A to USB-C. Actually USB 3.1 is quite good speeds with, so that's good to have that cable. So USB Type-A to USB-C. Now we have another cable here and that is the one I will use, and that is USB-C to USB-C. My Mac Mini M1 supports Thunderbolt 2, so this cable supports also Thunderbolt. So I will connect it to a Thunderbolt port on my Mac Mini. And here we have a manual. So that's what's in the box. Now I'll do all the settings I need to do before I can continue with this video. And then later I will show you what I have done to be able to use this for my YouTube projects. Okay, so I now connected the Samsung T7 portable external drive. And look at this thing, how small it is. So light and small. It's so incredible light and small. I'm actually surprised on how small this drive is. It's awesome actually. I really love this small drive, worth every penny. And I've connected it to one of the cables that come with the drive, USB-C to USB-C. Also supports Thunderbolt is my guess. So I connected that to the Thunderbolt port on my Mac Mini M1. In the package also a USB Type-A cable and to USB-C was included if you have a computer or device that you need to be able to connect with USB Type-A, USB 3.0. Actually USB 3.1. This drive supports USB 3.1. And of course also a manual is what's come in the box. So as I said, I have already connected it to the Mac Mini. So now it's time to do some settings on the Mac Mini and move some files and so on. Okay, so I have now done some copying of files to my new Samsung T7. I have moved my YouTube project files from my old external hard drive to this new SSD. And as you can see here, this is the file structure, the directories on the T7. And as you can see, the head project is called YouTube. And I have also a B-roll folder here with all the B-roll I have. at the moment. I will continue recording B-rolls and so on, so I will have this for all the B-rolls I need in my videos. And I also have an intro-outro files. These two files I use in every video. It's short clips with an intro and a short clip with an outro. And here you can also see 3 recently transferred files from my cameras. And as you know, I use my phones as cameras. So these are from my iPhone XS Max and Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So this is how it looks on the file structure on the Samsung T7 at the moment. Now we will see how it looks in Final Cut Pro 10. So here we have the Final Cut Pro 10, and here you can see the exact same file structure. You see the head project, YouTube. We have some smart collections, and that is all the videos and so on in smart collections. And we have the B-roll. Here we have all the B-roll movies I have. All the B-roll videos I have recorded. And here we have the intro outro that I talked about. The intro and outro. And here we have 2 projects I'm working on at the moment. I'm working on this video you are watching now, the Samsung T7 video. And this is another project I'm working on. It's a new USB-C to HDMI cable that I will use for my Mac Mini, my iPad Air 4, and also for Samsung DeX on my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So that video is also something I'm working on at the moment. So that is how it looks in Final Cut Pro 10. And if you click on this head project, YouTube, we can see here that I have the storage locations. YouTube, that is for all the media on the Samsung T7. And here we have the cache also on the same place and backups on the same place. So that is all the files I have now on the Samsung T7. SSD. So here you can actually choose where you want to have all your files and so on. Nice. Okay, so now it's time to do a disk speed test of the new Samsung T7 drive I have. So to be sure I can show you that I have chosen the right drive when doing this test. I go here and choose T7, as you can see, and there is my YouTube folder with all my YouTube projects. So let's open that drive again. So now I choose the right drive, but please note that I am recording at the same time, so that could actually maybe do the disk speed test a bit not right, I don't know. But let's see how fast this new drive is. I click start. Whoa, as you can see, 670 megabyte per second write, and read speed is a bit more, 697 megabit per seconds, around that. And this is freaking awesome. As you can see down here, you can record full 4K Ultra HD 60 frames per second. That's very, very good. Really, really good. So that was a speed test. Quite impressive, actually. So that's about it for this video. Actually, I hope you like what you have seen, and hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I need more subscribers. So please do that. Okay, bye.